Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Europol80. Today I'm somewhere in the middle of Florida and I'm visiting a very beautiful garden. So if you like the nature and beautiful buildings, then I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
Inside your self-righteous symphony, I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin. We're afraid of where we've been. The voice in the back of my head, the choices that we can't forget, the poison we take with regret.
Over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. don't need a killer, pray on for me. Ooh.